Good morning, guys. It is currently 4:40 a.m. We have a long day ahead of us, and I want you guys to follow me on today's little journey. Okay, guys, so I'm all ready for the gym. If y'all want to see what a morning is like with us, beds are made, shoes are there. We've got these brushes and what are they called? Our brushes and our beauty blenders are all drying. Yeah, hair's getting crazy already. I haven't even started working out. But anyways, yeah, that load right there. It's laundry day today, so that's why I said we have a busy day going on today. Little sesame bagel, freshly pressed orange juice, and a little bit of Gossip Girl. We have put one load in. We still got one more load to go. It is currently 8 a.m. Okay, so as you guys can see, the sun is shining bright in this room. We just got back from the laundry room. It is around 9:30 a.m. now. We finished one load, already folded the clothes. I'm gonna put that away right now. I think I'm gonna end up taking a little nap before getting ready because I do have a meeting to attend later. Hey guys, so after laundry, I ended up knocking out after the first load. So what I want to do tonight is do my nails because they're looking a little simple. Don't know what color, don't know what I'm exactly looking for. I just know that I want to do them. As for my hair, I'm pretty sure I'll either just blow dry it or I'll straighten it. Nothing too crazy. I just don't want it to look this ridiculous. Hey guys, so it's very clear that I'm very bad at vlogging because I completely forgot to vlog last night. Basically what happened was I did my nails and, well, things didn't go as planned. I ended up waking up in the middle of the night with like a burning sensation, so I had to take my entire manicure off. I don't understand what happened. I think I'm gonna put a pause on gel manicures because that was very traumatizing. And it's literally the next day, but it's like 5 p.m. I'm getting ready because we're gonna go out. Okay, so we made it to the restaurant with the whole family. I don't want to show them because I don't know how they feel about the camera, but yeah, we're here at a Mexican restaurant. I'll let y'all know how the food is. By the way, this is my brother right here. He wanted to be in the vlog. So, yeah. Okay guys, so we're heading home. Dinner was so good. I couldn't even finish mine, bro. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. The restaurant was really nice. The food was really good. I'm gonna play a little bit of Mario Kart before going to bed. So I really hope you guys like this little mini vlog. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs. I will try to get better at it because clearly this vlog did not go as planned. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.